Ram Ram Bhayu. Today I will show some old currency of Burundi which is not in circulation. First, this 10 franc note issued in 1970. As you see, there is a photo in front of the note, Place de la Revolution. This is the place where the freedom fight of Burundi is start after a meeting of all revolutionary. Okay, as you see in the top, the Central Bank of Burundian name is mentioned, Banque de la République du Burundi in French. In the bottom, same thing written in their local language Kirundi, I Banki ya Repubblica yu Burundi. This is the back side of this 10 franc note. You see in the center, the national motto of this country is written in English and Kirundi, Unite, Travel, Progress. Yuambe, Ibokorwa, Amajambere. This is another 10 franc note issued in 2007. You see front side the geographical map of Burundi. On this, the national logo of Burundi is printed. In the back side, same as earlier, their national motto is written in English and local language Kirundi. This is the old 20 franc note issued in 1973. As you see in the front, there is a man who wear traditional dance which they wear during their national celebration dance in Goma with a spear. In the back side, as you see, the Central Bank of Burundi name written in French in the top and Kirundi in the bottom. In the middle, their national motto words is written, Unite, Travel, Progress, Yuambe, Ibikorwa, Amajambere. This is another old 20 franc note issued in 2007. As you see in front of the person dancing in Goma in traditional dress. In the back side, their national logo is printed with the national motto Ibikorwa Yuambe Ibikorwa Amajambere. This is old 50 franc note. As you see, a person is playing the drums which is they used in during the national traditional dance celebration dance in Goma. These drums made up of wood and the animal skin. Mainly they use cow skin in this drum. In the back side, the central bank name and their national motto words is printed. This note is issued in 1971. As you see, date is mentioned. This is old 100 franc note issued in 1979. As you see in front of this note, the freedom fighter and the first president of Burundi, Louis Guagasore, picture is printed. He is the prince from the Burundian royal family. In the back side, you can see the Central Bank of Burundi name and their national motto words is printed. This is old 500 franc. As you see, the pictures of some local person and a children is printed. What they are doing, like one person is carrying the bananas, one lady with the children carrying something on their head. This note issued in 2013. In the back side you can see a tree of palm oil and a building. As you noted in the national logo of Burundi, they are using tiger face, but there is no tiger and lion in the Burundi in any forest or in any zoo.